to show you how to make a drink called the Sweating Monk. All right, we're going to start off with our ice. Pour this into our glass, and then we're going to add about 1/4 of an ounce of blue curacao, just like so. We're going to add in 1 ounce of Southern Comfort. Et voila. And about a splash of vermouth. Vermouth is a wine product, so keep it refrigerated, please. Then we're going to do about 1 ounce of sour mix. Here we go. 1. Just like that. Last but not least, we're going to put in just a splash of grenadine, or you can use a splash of amaretto, whichever you prefer. Shake that up. And we're going to serve this over ice in a rocks glass. Go ahead and add in a stirring straw. And cheers, the Sweating Monk.